Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Deleting messages on Facebook Marketplace keeps your inbox clean and organized. Many users find the interface confusing at first. You can easily remove old conversations on both mobile and desktop. To delete a message on your phone, open the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon and select Marketplace. Tap the small person icon at the top of the screen. Select the inbox option to see your chats. Find the specific conversation you want to remove. Swipe left on that message thread. A red delete button will appear on the side. Tap that button to confirm the removal. To delete messages on a computer, log into your Facebook account. Click the Marketplace icon in the left sidebar menu. Click on the inbox link near the top left. Locate the chat you wish to clear from your list. Click the three dots next to the sender's name. A menu will pop up with several choices. Select the Delete Chat option from this list. A confirmation box will appear on your screen. Click Delete again to finish the process. Keep in mind that deleting a chat is permanent. You cannot recover these messages once they are gone. This action only removes the chat from your own view. The other person will still have a copy of the conversation. If you want to save the info but hide the chat, use the archive feature instead. Archiving moves the message to a hidden folder. Deleting is best for clearing out old or unwanted spam. Managing your inbox helps you stay focused on your current sales and purchases. It also makes finding your messages easier.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.